Hey guys, is it really that time? Time for another video? I think it is. So, heading out to Buddy's pond. I'm going there to do a little pond maintenance with him. We're going to lay those hay bales out like we do every year. Helps the slime from getting too crazy. But that is where we are going. I'm expecting, hopefully a few bass and a few panfish. Well, I know I fish for panfish, and maybe we'll even do a catch and cook. If we happen to do that, then obviously I'll be seeing you guys later, cleaning some fish and cooking some fish. But that's a possibility to do today. All right, see you out there. It's a fancy pressure cooker, but
I could probably use one of those. How much do they go for?
I have no idea.
They're like $100. My roommate buys fish.
That's nice.
Got that lure on there?
I got a fathead.
Right. Broke the bass ice. Hey, isn't that funny? Look what I have put on.
Yes.
A fathead. All right.
Fathead's going right now.
And that's in head.
We all got fatheads going now.
He's tearing them up.
I'm on them. I'm on them.
Oh!
Up.
It's how did
The keel hold a crappie on a jerkbait.
how did he do
That doesn't
what?
surprise me though.
What?
There's something
Why are you? You're gonna if you.
Swam up
Sir.
and said, "Mom."
This point, 3-pounder right off the point.
You still jerking?
No, no, fat heady now.
That might be something a little bigger.
You guys might have. Oh!
I got the trifecta, guys. I got one of each now. Yes, sirree, Bob, G Butchie boy.
You guys twins.
Twin sons of different mothers.
It wasn't the. Wait, what did I say? 6-pounder?
A sixth of a pound.
There is a 6-pounder off the point though.
1/6 of a pounder.
It's the principle.
You got the
I caught a fish. Just not even close to the size I thought. Ooh, he ran. Yeah, you told me about that. Why is this color?
I don't know, dude. The only thing that I can think is that one of their favorite foods, everything. Everything, buddy.
There we go.
Put a really back up.
Yeah. Nah, like coming down.
Wow, man, that's one of your first deep cranking casts I've ever seen you catch. Am I right?
You've seen, yeah. I don't throw deep cranks too often. No problem, man. Like, I've caught a good quota. I'm ready when you are. Got the bales done. Caught some fish. Caught a few bass. I know. Oh yeah, I do. Ooh. I didn't really try to before I was trying, but I was being lazy. I'll keep a few. It's cold enough. Yeah, you probably should keep some, to be honest. I got a chicken bake tonight, but you know the sizes. You call whether to. Oh, that one got away. Alright, had a nibble. Another nibble. Is this a bluegill? I think this is a bluegill. I mean, I guess I can keep a cookie too. Go be with your friends. Sorry, dude. I'll probably do like a soy, sesame, ginger marinade. The catching is done, now to cook. Righty. Let's go finish up. Guys, I'm gonna show you how a few tricks actually to clean up one of these fish. I'm gonna take the spoon, all right, and I'm gonna go in opposite direction. And you see how they pretty much just come right off. All right, get a good grip on your fish. Okay, take the spoon. You can either use this, or you can actually scoop them off as well. All right, nice and easy. Make sure my water's cold here. We're gonna take one of these, we're gonna gut it, show you how to clean the innards. Find the hole at the bottom, make an incision. I've already made this incision in the spine, okay? There's a trick here. If you cut in here, all right, you can rip the head off and the guts should go with it, okay? So I'm gonna try to do that now. All right, there's the head, there's the guts. We're gonna make our little marinade for fish. We got rice cooking wine, we got soy sauce, sesame oil, blue agave nectar. You could use honey, you could use sugar with this. And we got, of course, ginger. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grate ginger into the bowl. This ginger has been frozen. Just that way it keeps it a little bit longer. A little trick for that. I'm gonna add a little bit of rice cooking wine. Something sweet. I like honey or this stuff because as you cook it, you know, it's a little thicker and it'll kind of caramelize and stick a little bit better than regular sugar. Soy sauce. The rest of my sesame. All right, white pepper. A little sprinkle. This stuff is actually gives it solid heat. White pepper's got some kick to it. A little squirt of sriracha. We're gonna mix this all together and then we're gonna add it to the fish. Here's the fish. Here's the marinade. Add it straight in. I'm gonna let this sit, marinade. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. All right, guys, what's up? It's the next day. I got my fish here. Let it marinate overnight. I'm gonna show you guys how to cook this up. There's a bunch of different ways. Obviously you can, I'm just gonna pan fry it. Another pretty good ways to steam it as well. So let's get going. Goes in. Make sure you guys turn your heat down about medium to medium low. We don't want to burn any side of the fish. It's got to, cook through an entire side. So we're gonna cook it a couple minutes on one side, give it a little flip, cook it a couple minutes on the other side. If we need to, we'll put a top on, add some water, steam it up a little bit. Add a little water, kind of deglaze the pan, helps cook the inside a little bit more. We got the, one side nice and crispy. We got to do it to the other side. We'll be good to go. All right, we're gonna serve these on a bed of rice, and we're gonna enjoy. Make sure you pick around the bones and don't eat them. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on my first Catch a Cook. Hopefully I gave you a few ideas on how to clean, kind of prepare the fish, and an idea to cook them. Now we're gonna eat some fish, man. Thanks. See you. Ooh, say hi. That's the camera. You wanna eat the fish?